a new day. Let's get to work. So I think what I want to focus on this morning is getting the oil lines completely done and out of my way so I can focus on the rest of the stuff. So I'm going to start with the feed line. It's just sitting here right now. I got to go under the car, pull the oil filter off, pull the oil pressure sensor out of the block, and then I can put all those fittings in there to run that. Come on! You know, sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. And other times you gotta stick a screwdriver through your oil filter to get it off. Okay, next. Oil pressure sensor. Out. Oil line in. You're probably not gonna be able to see anything once I stick my arms up in there, but we'll see how it goes. Man, that was a struggle to get all that in there and tight. But yeah, you can see what I got going on there. It's a little tight with the wire bundle going across there, but I made it work. Okay, oil lines are almost done. I'm just marking out where I want my drain bung to go. And then I'm going to take the fan off, I'll weld this on, and put it all back together. It's funny how much easier that is when you take all the bolts out. So I just drilled a hole right on my mark. I took the paint off. Now I gotta run over to my dad's work so I can use the welder there. And I'll weld this on and I'll come right back. So I may have gotten a little bit carried away and I forgot to film pretty much everything I did after I welded the oil bung into the pan. But you guys didn't miss much. Basically just reinstalled the pan, hooked up the oil lines, and that's pretty much it. So don't be mad. But yeah, I think that's gonna be it for this video. So thank you guys again for watching. We'll see you in the next episode where I'm going to be doing a specific video on pie cut bends probably and making a downpipe for this thing. So stay tuned for that. And subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you think. I think I'm getting better at editing these things, so yeah, any input is good input. Thanks for watching.